Hello, farmers. Welcome to Backyard Farms. Hope you are having a lovely day. Hope your projects that you initiated this year are prospering. And basically, I wanted to share this one project. As an urban farmer, maybe you've been asking yourself, how can I farm? I have no space, I have no farm, but you are passionate about farming. Today, let's look at the solutions that you can have. The first solution is basically a vertical garden. As we can see here, that's what we call a vertical garden. And basically, it's a reinforced bag that has space for up to 100 seedlings that can be planted. And basically, you do mix your soil very well, plus your manure, and you just fill up the bag up to the top and make sure that it's very reinforced, and that can be used to plant crops for up to 5 seasons. That's basically like 5 years. So basically, as an urban farmer, you can consider this. You can see, you can see the crops that have been planted. You can see basically, I think we have nightshade or managu, we have spinach, you have kale, that's kumawiki. So some of the crops that have been planted, you can see. And basically, we have already harvested the very first time. So basically, the returns have started to get through. The other form of farming that you can use is basically a corn garden, as you can see in the picture. Now, these do start with a bigger corn at the very bottom, or a bigger circle at the very bottom, followed by corns that are of varying diameters up to the very top. As we can see, you can see that corn garden, very beautiful corn garden. We can see our vegetables, very beautiful vegetables. So in an urban setting, there is no reason for you not to farm. We can use these farming techniques to ensure that you as a farmer, you do have your own organic, your own natural, because basically these days people do like to know where the food that they are consuming do comes from. So with this, even if you are living in an apartment, you can set up your back area, and you can set up one of these gardens, and from that you can be able to have your own vegetables that you can uh, be consuming, because it will be basically enough for you and maybe a very a small family can see this. So the construction of a vertical garden, it just do requires soil, it requires manure and stones. As you can see, we have placed stones at the very middle, and these stones are used to basically, when it's dry, you just they are the watering point. That's where you do pour water from. As you can see, very beautiful. Look, just look at those vegetables, they are very beautiful. So in the comment section, do comment, have you encountered this type of farming, the vertical garden or the corn garden? Have you encountered them? Have you tried them? Have a beautiful day.